Welcome back, everyone. Maybe having an issue with Instagram where for some reason the Instagram music little filter is not working. Now, the first thing I'd recommend doing is finding that specific filter, seeing if it's available. So if I go ahead and click and make a story, you should be able to see this music filter right there. Now, if you're seeing something like music not available or something, that is a little bit of a different issue. But what you want to do here is you want to click on the song that you want to go ahead and click, and you should be able to see it. Now, if you do not see that music filter, even after looking through it a couple times, you may just want to go ahead and make sure Instagram is updated on your specific phone. So what you can do here is you can make your way over to your app store just like so, and you want to go and click on the search button right here. You want to click on search, and all you want to do is type in Instagram just like this. So type in Instagram. At this point, you'll come into this panel. You want to click on it, and all you want to do is update the Instagram application. If your Instagram app is severely outdated, and I'm talking like it's like months and months old or even years old, well then you're probably not going to be able to get a lot of the new features that come out. So as you can see, I just updated to it. All I have to do is go back into it, swipe to the side just like this, make a story, whatever, and then you should be able to see for the most part the little filter thing up here, click music, and you should probably be able to see it as of this point. If you still don't see it, another thing I'd recommend doing, making sure you have an internet connection of some sort, making sure you have a data connection of some sort. Those are some other easy ways to go and fix this thing as well. But another thing is Instagram may actually be down. So what this means is Instagram may actually have some server issues on the back end. So what you're going to have to do is make your way over to a website like downdetector.com. There's also other websites like this that offer the same exact thing. And all you want to do is scroll through and see if Instagram is on here. Now you can see Instagram's here. If it's like a flat line, kind of like this thing, then that probably means there's no issue or a widespread issue with Instagram. But if you see things like this, these massive spikes, that probably means there's a problem with it. What you have to do here is pretty much just wait it out, and then the Instagram issues will probably end up fixing themselves after. So that kind of covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.